Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia Salmon if you're new, and if you're already not subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? In today's video, we're doing something different. The only time I've ever done cooking on my vlog, on my channel, is when I did a vlog about a while ago where I actually showed you guys how I was making dinner, and like, it was a typical day for me. Since then I've never done a video on cooking for you guys, and I love cooking. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I kind of hate it sometimes because when you have to do it almost every day, it becomes a job and not something you actually love doing. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some Guyanese style chicken curry, and I'm so excited because fun fact is, chicken curry was one of the first thing I've ever cooked, and the first time I cooked it, like, it tasted good. So this is one of my, like, you know, it will always be that one thing that I ever like first cooked, and it was really good. So it's good. So in today's video, we're gonna be making some chicken curry. I hope you guys are excited to make some chicken curry, and we're gonna get started with this video, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what we need to make this curry. So I'm resting down my camera. I'm gonna keep showing you guys in and out of what I'm doing. So now that we have our pan on, it's on heat, we're gonna be adding some oil. And you don't have to put too much. I use vegetable oil because it's just normal oil. And then we're gonna be putting everything together to put in the pan. So I'm going to get a small bowl and a knife, and I'm just going to rest my phone right on the stove, and I'll be showing you guys what I'm doing. What I've done so far is I've chipped my whole onion, and I have cut my potatoes into size like these. That way it'll cook really fast. Well, not too fast, just, you know, the proper amount of time. Then we're going to start off with some chili powder. We're just going to throw some right there. This is normal red chili powder. Next we're going to put in some masala, and I have a little spoon in here. So I'm just going to watch how much chicken I have, and I'm going to put masala according to that. So I think that's enough. So that's enough. And then we're going to be adding some curry powder. That looks pretty, the color. And then we're going to be adding some aji. Now this is kind of hard for me to do all with myself because I'm holding my camera in my hand, and I also have to do everything with my other hand. I'm just gonna throw some garlic and pepper there. I forgot to mention, but we also need some salt. So there's my salt, and this is all the stuff I need to chunky the curry. Grab a pat spoon, and then my oil is hot over here, so I'm gonna throw everything in. So make sure you have everything in from the bowl. I just put some water there, and then put it in the pan, and we stir that up. I'm going to slow down the heat a little bit right there. I'm going to continue to turn this up. The point in this is to patch everything, if that's what you call it. It smells so hot in here. Plus it's so hot. Then after you've patched that for a good 30 seconds or so, then after you patch that for a good 30 seconds or so, I'm going to be adding the chicken right here. And some salt. And again, we're eyeballing everything, so nothing here is natural. Then I'm just going to give this a good stir. Now everything is mixed up. We're gonna leave this to, like, it's supposed to lose its own natural water first, and then we add more water. So we're gonna leave this, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the process of how it's cooking. And yeah, that's pretty much all for right now. To make this cook faster, I'm just gonna add the lid to it and let it cook, and I'll check back on it in about 4 minutes. So it's been about 5 minutes. I'm just gonna open this up and we're gonna see what we have. So it's cooking, like I said. I'm gonna grab my spoon and turn it up. And in the meantime, if your potatoes are already not ready, then you should be preparing your potatoes. So it's been about 20 minutes. You can see there's a lot of steam. I'm just gonna open this up, and all the water that it had to lose is loosed. And as I said, 20 minutes later, this is it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna throw in all my potatoes, and I'm gonna be throwing in water. Now the way I find that works for me is I make sure I put enough water that covers basically all the meat. I'm gonna stir this. Okay. Now, if this was like a normal plucked chicken, I wouldn't put all of this water, but because I mentioned earlier this is hard chicken, I'm putting, like, as you can see, there's a lot of water. Of course, it's covering the meat, but it's covering it like way than it's supposed to. But yeah, now that everything is in, the only thing that's left to go in is some tomato paste and some like green onions, shallot, whatever, at the end of it. So we're gonna let this cook for about another 15 minutes or so, and then we're gonna come back and check on it. 10 minutes later, and we're cooking. It's starting to boil down. Stir. There is a lot of steam. Now you can wait until it's almost done, or you can do it right now. I'm just adding some tomato paste, and I'm gonna stir it up. Before you actually say it's done, you have to make sure the potatoes are boiled, because that's really important. So it's 15 minutes later since the last time I checked it, and everything seems good. The potato are starting to cook. They're almost done. I think I'm gonna give this like a good 10 minutes more, or less than 10 maybe, and then it'll be done. So I am gonna check in with you guys back when this is literally almost done. So it's been about half an hour in total since we added water to it, and it's been cooking. So now I'm gonna remove the lid. I think, oh yeah, we are done. I'm just gonna give this a good stir to show you guys. So this is done. So that was all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't the best because my hand kept on shaking, and I had to use one hand to cook and one hand to hold my camera. So it was weird because I'm home alone. I didn't get any help from my brother, who would usually help me with stuff like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow all my social media, and tell me if you guys like this video. And if you ever do try out this recipe, or cooked chicken curry, if you like chicken curry, then comment it down below. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Bye bye.